Now, engineering strain simply meaning here, simply delta L upon L. This is the engineering strain. E is equal to e to the power et, e to the power et minus 1. And et is the true strain. And true strain we have calculated. Okay. So we calculated and in the next in this topic. So true strength, I have already told you simple meaning. If your true strength, simple meaning here, strain is the elongation per unit length is called the strain. Okay. Now true strain simply here, meaning defined here, I want to say that simple meaning here, loading of area, loading of rod, simple meaning, or bar, rod or bar any shape. Loading of the rod or bar as described above must be understood as gradual. Okay, understood as gradual. That is, load has been slowly increased. Okay, load has been slowly increased. Okay, so once again I'm repeating that load has been slowly increased from 0 to P, means just start to any condition P. So load here 0 to P. Then in this case the increment in the length delta L has been taken place gradually. Delta has been taken as gradually, hence true strain is cumulative effect of the small incremental in the length. Okay. Now when the material